Hey guys, my name's John Erickson. I'm represented by Coast to Coast here in Los Angeles, and I'm 6 feet tall. I have definitely done the monster role before, with skull cap, prosthetics on my face, contact lenses, custom shaped teeth, full body paint, 3+ hours in hair and makeup. When a company housing your data gets breached, every second counts. ALLSTATE Identity Protection's new privacy management tools empower you to take back more control of your online life. With one click, you can see your digital footprint and learn if any of the companies you've shared your personal information with has experienced a breach. Quick action could save you lots of grief down the road. Someone could even try to steal your identity.